Good morning, everybody. So, the UPS man, who I am learning to love in no other way that I've ever thought I'd ever learn to love another man, stopped off yesterday at the Frank house and drops off the infamous Strat-O-Matic brown box. And inside this year we have the Pro Football basic game. Never played it before, figured I'd give it a try. And more importantly, as we move some things around here, dun 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 dun, the 2012 Strat-O-Matic baseball cards and the Strat-O-Matic rubber bands, because you can't be official without the Strat-O-Matic rubber bands. So here we are. This is the extra players. And this is the real deal here, people. And who's there? Top left, Nick Markakis. That one's for you, Tony. That one's for you. So, professional baseball, which doesn't start till April 1st, starts today in the Frank household. I hope you all have a wonderful day. And I will talk to you soon. Bye.